Did you know that you knew and you already know that the SHIDOU update is live? SHIDOU X SAE. It is out, and you can redeem the new codes. The new codes have been announced by the developers Chiralo. So follow along to actually showcase every single new code. Even though it says chemical reaction TW, we get the Discord codes SAE, X, SHIDOU. This is the code for 10 lucky spins. Redeem this code and you'll be awarded 10 lucky spins. 10 lucky spins for free. Don't miss out on any future codes and subscribe to this channel. We got Isagi code. Isagi is... Wait, Isagi's hose? Isagi's hose? Calling on smartphone. Isagi's shoes. Isagi shoe. Wait, shoes? Isagi shoes. Yeah, it's the Isagi shoes. This one gives you 5 lucky spins. 5 lucky spins. GOL MET. GOL MET. 3 lucky spins. 3 lucky spins. Don't miss out on any future codes. Like and subscribe. If you would like to have some Robux, comment a heart emoji. I'm gifting Robux to my subscribers that are commenting a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you would like to have some Robux.